Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best dip bars for home in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is SportsRoyal Power Tower and Amp Dip Station. This dip station tops our list in the multifunction dip bar category. Unlike other power towers, the SportsRoyal Power Tower dip station supports vertical knee raises, pull-ups, push-ups, dips that enable you to target your arms, chest, core, and shoulders. All of these workouts enable you to build a stronger and more toned upper body. It can support up to 440 pounds and measures 5.35 inches by 18.5 inches by 7.5 inches. It's made from steel alloy with a scratch-resistant coat finish. Other noteworthy features of this dip station include its elbow pads to prevent slipping, 6-gear adjustable height, from 64.56 inch to 88.18, and 7-position adjustable backrest. This power tower also features a long base that provides more stability to the equipment. Even with the recent upgrade, the armrest of this dip station still wobbles, especially when performing dips. This power tower will definitely have a better position in our review if this problem is resolved. Number 2. Our second best pick is ProsourceFit Dip Stand Station. We believe that this dip stand station is the best dip bar today because of different reasons. For starters, this dip bar has a weight capacity of 400 pounds and only measures 16 by 24 by 31 inches. It's made from iron with a powder coating finish, so you won't have to worry about its durability and longevity. One feature we love about Thirst dip stand stations is its adjustable bar heights, which you can modify up to 35 inch. It also comes with rubber feet to prevent slipping and an extendable safety connector for maximum stability. This feature can be very beneficial, especially if you want to try multiple exercises requiring different bar heights. This stand station tends to wobble when set to the maximum bar height. Fortunately, this is a minor problem that can be avoided by performing exercises that require shorter bar heights, less than 35 inch. Number 3. Our third best pick is RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Dip Station. This dip station makes it to our list of being one of the best dip bars because it warrants stability. This dip station is made of heavy-duty steel and can support up to 300 pounds. The durable steel construction of this one provides safety regardless of how much weight you use on your workout session. We also love how this dip station offers adjustable height settings, ranging from 39 inch to 50.8. It also comes with adjustable non-slip feet, so you can prevent the home gym equipment from shaking when in use. This dip station only measures 29.5 inch by 22.85 inch x 30.31, allowing you to save a lot of floor space. Moving forward, we would like to see the brand focus on building better handles just as how they're able to focus on the stability of the equipment. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Pureformance Deluxe Dip Station. Besides being a budget-friendly dip station, this dip station makes it to our list because of its quality features. This fitness equipment has a weight capacity of 300 pounds and measures 26.77 inches by 22.05 inches by 35.63 inches. It's made of powder-coated steel, which guarantees durability and protects it from rust even after long-term use. Unlike most dip bars, this dip station has angled padded grips, so you can perform different exercises without compromising your comfort and enjoyment. Its open pass-through design also makes the Pureformance Deluxe Dip Station one of the most versatile dip bars available today. If only this dip station came with rubber feet instead of plastic, this dip station would surely rank higher on our review. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Lebert Fitness Dip Bar. If you just recently started your bodyweight lifting journey, this dip bar is an ideal option. The purchase of this dip bar includes access to an online fitness group and over 100 workouts for beginners. It also comes with resistance bands, heavy-duty foam handles, and access to an online coaching group to make your next workout session more effective. This fitness dip bar is also a multi-purpose bar because it comes as 2 separate bars. This enables you to customize your pull-ups, push-ups, and dips. The Lebert Fitness Dip Bar can support up to 400 pounds and measures 29.6 x 27.3 by 2.5 inches. Unlike other dip stations, this one comes in 2 sizes. Depending on your preferences, you can invest in the regular size, 28-inch in height and supports users up to 5 feet 10 inches, or XL, 31 in height and supports users over 5 feet 10 inches. Although this dip bar doesn't come with protective rubber feet, we think all of its other features compensate for this minor issue. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.